Hey guys, if you make a common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs that you may actually not need. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Ram, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuse for the trailer parking light is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad, all we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that guys to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Where you can guys expect to find the trailer parking lights fuse, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. Now what we need to do, open the hood. Under the hood guys, on the driver's side in front of the car battery, you have that box. That's your fuse box. It has two notches on that lid, one here, one there. Press them, it opens, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse, okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse, sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here guys, for the trailer parking lights we need to check one fuse only. Now, quick advice guys, one time we were in the middle of nowhere, a small town, we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one and we were stuck because of that. Always keep some spare fuses guys, that's our piece of advice. The fuse that we need to check for the trailer parking lights is known as fuse number 29. That's guys a 30 amp fuse. And if you look, we're talking about that fuse right here. That's fuse number 29. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.